If you're considering Airalo eSIM for international travel, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before you commit. Stick around, because understanding these details could save you money, time, and headaches abroad. The first thing you should know is that Airalo is one of the most affordable eSIM options, but with budget pricing comes limitations. Their data packages vary greatly by country, and while prices can be attractive, some competitors offer better coverage or more generous data allowances. Next, while Airalo works in over 200 countries, it doesn't always offer seamless service in rural areas or smaller towns. If you're heading off the beaten path, a competitor like Ubigi or Holofly might provide better reliability. Third, Airalo's eSIM plans are data only. This means no traditional calling or texting features unless you're using apps like WhatsApp or Skype. Competitors like TruePhone or No Roaming include voice and SMS in some of their plans, which may be a better fit for certain travelers. Another thing to keep in mind is that Airalo's activation process is straightforward, but it requires an eSIM-compatible phone. If your device doesn't support eSIM, this service won't work for you. Double-check your phone model before buying. Fifth, Airalo's app is user-friendly and makes it easy to manage your plan, but it lacks some of the advanced features competitors provide, such as multi-country packages in a single region or flexible top-up options. Next, speed and network quality vary depending on the country. In some places, Airalo partners with premium carriers, while in others, the local networks may be slower or less reliable. Competitors like FlexiRoam often prioritize premium networks across all supported countries. Seventh, if you run out of data, topping up is simple through the app, but it can be expensive compared to purchasing a larger plan up front. Check your data needs before you travel to avoid unnecessary costs. Airalo's customer support is primarily email-based. While responsive, it might not be as fast as competitors like Holofly, which offer live chat or 24/7 support options. Ninth, their regional plans are a good deal for those traveling across multiple countries in a specific region, but they might not always be the cheapest or most flexible compared to global plans offered by other services. Another thing to note is that Airalo's plans have expiration dates. If you don't use your data within the allotted time, it's gone. Some competitors offer rollover data or longer validity periods, which can be more cost-effective for infrequent travelers. 11th, privacy and security are crucial, especially when connecting to international networks. Airalo doesn't explicitly offer added security features like VPN services, which some other eSIM providers bundle with their plans. Finally, while Airalo is a solid option for many travelers, it's not always the best fit for heavy data users or those needing high-speed internet in remote areas. If you want more flexibility, better support, or additional features, you might prefer our recommended solution, which you can try for free. That's everything you need to know before buying an Airalo eSIM. It's a good option for budget-conscious travelers, but if you're looking for something even better, check out the link in the description for our top recommendation.